My name is Tyler Heffner, and I work at FCX in Morgantown. My job title is Electrical Assembler.
FCX is a manufacturing company. We manufacture solid-state frequency converters, primarily used in the aircraft industry. Tyler, what he does for us here at FCX is he'll do assembly work, wiring work, and unit preparation for shipping.
I grew up in Lewis County, West Virginia. I went to Lewis County High School.
Tyler is diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder. So Tyler's relationship with DRS is I'm a counselor. We work with him, trying to help him decide what he wants to do through that vocational counseling and guidance and post-secondary education counseling. He made an informed choice to go that route. 2021, he obtained his bachelor's degree in environmental physics.
I went to college at West Virginia Wesleyan University. My favorite part about college was participating in the labs.
So DRS assisted him with tuition, books and supplies. We also assisted him with getting a computer and a printer, recorder. While Tyler was working with DRS, he was referred to the employment specialist. He was assisted with resume development. His vocational goal was to work in the field of engineering, and I do believe that he's fulfilled that by working with FCX.
I got this job after a friend of mine told me about the company that was hiring. It brings me one step closer to working around aircraft and spacecraft.
He seems to really enjoy the hands-on work that he does. He's learned all of the skills that's needed to do the work, and he's becoming quite proficient at those skills.
In the future, I plan to get more education and see if I can get in position manufacturing engines, either spacecraft or aircraft.
He has progressed with social skills and has a great rapport with his direct supervisor and his coworkers.
I feel Tyler is progressing well. He came to FCX, seemed to be very shy, very quiet. I was very interested in Tyler when I first interviewed him. He just seemed to have an underlying interest in learning what we did.
He's dedicated, motivated, very detail-oriented, takes his job very seriously, and has a love for wanting to grow, not only personally, but become a very good asset to the company.
A lot of people come here for employment. Tyler came here to learn a little bit more than just a job.
There's a lot of people who helped. Rick West helped me get this job. DRS helped me obtain textbooks I needed for college. They also helped me figure out all the paperwork and how to enter college. Every time it was time to go back to college again, they helped remind me on what to do. They also helped provide a laptop and other materials to complete my education. I was lost without the DRS.